Hi students. So today we have along with us a very bright student who will be an inspiration to everyone. So I have Megha with me who has cracked UPSC CMS with rank 54 and who is awaiting for the interview, as well as she has got in NEET 2000 rank, and it is very special for me because it was not an easy journey. She had to go through a lot of obstacles in her path, but she has crossed every obstacle, and she fought for it. And I am inspired by her story, and today I
Oh my God.
present you her story so that she can inspire you all more. She will tell us how to come back to our normal whenever we fall back. As well, she'll also guide you all how we have to, what all she took into her mind, or took as an inspiration, how she prepared for her exam and she could do this. Right, Mega, over to you.
Okay. Hi, good morning, guys. I am Dr. Megha Goyal from Lala Lajpat Rai Memorial Medical College, associated with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Hospital, Meerut. And I am highly indebted to God, my teachers, that I secured a rank of 2815 in this NEET PG 2021. And also, I cracked UPSC CMS along with the interview and secured a rank of 54 in the session 2020 and 2021. So I welcome all of you who are listening to us, and thank you so much for the words, ma'am. Already feel indebted. आपने इतनी तारीफ already कर दी है. ऐसा भी नहीं है, and I always look up to you, the
Oh,
all the
that's
classes, and it's not the other way around, ma'am. Okay.
so. Mega, why don't you tell them how did you prepare and how did you come up to this and all?
Okay, ma'am, sure. So first of all, I will start up by sharing everything. Okay, so it's gonna be a step-by-step process. So first of all, I would like to thank some very important people in my life. I think that's really important. So I will start with my parents, my father, Dr. Ajay Kumar, and my mother, Dr. Shikha Goyal. I was a day scholar because I am a localite in Meerut. So I used to stay at my home only. So they have seen the entire journey, like from the very first year to now securing a seat in PGME. So they have supported me all through, all the ups and downs. Like सब बच्चों को problem होती है MBBS में
Same.
अलग अलग चीजों की कि आज terms आ गए यार prof चल रहे हैं अब coaching जाना है. So they have seen it all. And then I will like to talk about my brother, Dr. Akash Goyal, who is pursuing medicine in Bombay. And he is somebody like I want to become like him. That was the very first instinct I have when I think about him. Akash jaisa banna hai. So he was the one who taught me कि कैसे करना है और कैसे नहीं करना. Then I would like to talk about my seniors, Dr. Anirudh Gupta sir, जिन्होंने पूरी जर्नी में मुझे स्पेशली इंटर्नशिप में बहुत सपोर्ट किया, बहुत गाइड किया, बताया कैसे करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, एंड एवरीथिंग. आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट डॉक्टर विभू सिंह, डॉक्टर चंकी बॉस. ये दोनों मेरे बहुत क्लोज हैं. विभूदी तो स्पेशली शी गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन इलाहाबाद लास्ट ईयर एमडी पीडियाट्रिक्स, एंड शी हैज बीन अ कांस्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन ऑलवेज. लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर से बच्चों के आइडियल्स होते हैं वैसे. Then I would like to talk
You
about my
should always
batchmates.
get some inspiration from seniors.
Yes,
that's very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am. You see them actually do what you have to do. You see
True.
them accomplish things. So that is very important. Then I will like to talk about Dr. Priyank Rajput, my batchmate. He was always there throughout my journey, guiding me. We were preparing together and seeing all the ups and downs, motivating me at times when I felt depressed and supporting me all through. I have my friends, Dr. Parak Mittal, Dr. Ira Singh, Dr. Samyak Jain. They were always there. क्योंकि एक एस्पिरेंट की लाइफ में बहुत सारे टाइम्स आते हैं when you need somebody. Like it's not always golds and glitters कि इनकी रैंक आ गई तो इनका हमेशा ऐसे ही चला होगा. No, we all have our ups and downs and we need friends at that point of time. We need family to support us. And Parak was always there. She used to say me कि बहुत मारूंगी अगर परेशान हुई तो. And these things used to motivate me a hell lot of, like,
So
really
I
very
think
much.
the very first point which you have put forward is, whenever we are with our problems, family and friends do support us a lot,
They
and
are very
having a good,
important. They're
yeah,
very important, ma'am. Like my friend Sarthika, she not only medicos. My friend Sarthika, she lives just a couple of streets away. She used to come over, and I used to forget all the worries. कि यार ये सब भी tension है, and I used to get to the mainstream and This was very important for me. My
तो
friends,
अच्छे
Dr.
दोस्त
Samya,
बनाने
Dr.
भी,
Parna,
अच्छे दोस्त बनाना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट
that's
होता
real
है.
important. It's really important. So all of them, they were very crucial in my journey, I should say. So the PGME preparation began when I was in third year. Third year में मैम
Yes.
ये ट्रेंड था हमारे यहाँ कि सब लोग कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर लेते. तो
I remember
अब ये
मैं
एक बड़ा
आपको
decision
थर्ड ईयर
था.
में ही देखी, थर्ड
Yes
ईयर में ही
ma'am,
मैं
yes
आपसे
ma'am,
मिली हूँ.
yes
And
ma'am. I met you in the third year.
Yes, I definitely remember that you were answering everything, although you were a third year student. Usually third year में gynec समझना बहुत थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, but you
मुश्किल हो
used to
जाता है मैम.
answer, and
Ma'am, it
that's
was
how I
all
remember
your
you.
blessings. It was all your teaching. Actually, क्या हुआ मैम? I had a few options to join for coaching. तब online platforms इतने common नहीं थे, सब offline जाते थे. तो in Bhatia, Devi approached me. He said कि हम लोग live classes लेके आ रहे हैं. So I was very fascinated towards it, and at the end वो fruitful रहा. Like I would especially like to talk about your class. Like एक student के लिए सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं. I used to get so much motivated on seeing you. That like you have come from so far. आप सुबह start करते थे और breaks बस 5 minutes के, and it used to go on till the evening, and you were so energetic. So I used to look up to you, like that
Thank you,
ma'am
thank you.
कर रहे हैं इतना अच्छे से. So when she can speak the entire day, मैं पढ़ तो सकती हूँ ना उसे बैठ के. And the cherry on the cake was that chocolate. I
I do
always
remember.
wished कि I should get that chocolate. So I had a special zeal to answer in the class कि chocolate
Yeah.
मिलेगी. So that was something that was very, like, I was very happy with that. So the part comes of joining a coaching.
Yes.
So lot of aspirants face this problem कि कौन सा coaching join करें. In my opinion, all the coachings are good.
True.
Like when they are teaching you at a national level, so they have something that they are teaching you at a national level. So you have to just pick up one and put
Stick to
your
that.
entire faith. Put your entire faith कि हाँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो ठीक कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कभी doubts नहीं आएंगे. Like I had doubts कि मेरे notes कम हैं. मेरे जो साथ के batchmates थे, they used to study from some other place. They used to know so much more than me. But that is not the thing. Like at the end of the day, exam वाले day, आप 19 subjects अपने brain में carry करके लेके जाने वाले हैं. So you have to be very clear. जैसे एक movie है, I don't remember the name. It says that I don't have any problem with that 1,000 moves that you have practiced one time, but I have a problem with that single move you have practiced for 10,000 times. So the key
True.
is what you are doing. You have to do again and again, and you have to put your faith into it. So कोई भी platform join कीजिए, all are good, but you have to put your faith, है ना, जिससे you can extract as much as you can. एक क्वेश्चन आता है स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में, मेरे माइंड में तो बहुत लास्ट तक था. आई विल टेल यू कि आई यूज्ड टू फील कि एक तो नोट्स कम है, और दूसरा यूज्ड टू फील कि अगर जो मेरे नोट्स में नहीं है उसी से आ गया तो फिर क्या होगा. So these
actually तुम बहुत you are telling a very correct point, because I do get messages कि मैम ये notes काफी है क्या, ये काफी है क्या, तो बच्चों को ये
मैम
बहुत
ये
आता है.
जी,
So but
मैम
as
ये बहुत आता है.
हाँ,
ये इससे आप नहीं फाइट कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल गो, यू विल टॉक टू योर बैचमेट्स, यू विल सी कि यार अच्छा ये टॉपिक तो मैंने सुना ही नहीं, अब क्या होगा. एंड दैट साइकिल कंटिन्यूज. यू कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट सिंगल टॉपिक जो आपको नहीं आता है, एंड 10 टॉपिक्स सेट असाइड. बट दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस. लाइक एग्जाम विल बी फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द कॉमन टॉपिक्स, है ना, जो आपने कहीं से भी पढ़े होंगे. एंड फॉर दोज एडिशनल थिंग्स you are doing lot of GTs, you're solving Q banks, they'll cover it up. कुछ आपके notes में नहीं है, you're solving questions, you get an additional topic, आप उसको वहीं ऐड कर लीजिए. So stop running after की notes की. I have myself even went to shops and seen the widthness कि यार ये मोटा ज्यादा लग रहा है, इसमें ज्यादा को ये सही है. But that's not the case. Like if you want, you can go, but you should do in whatever thing you believe in. So first of all, important is join one platform, decide your way, like हम ये यहाँ से पढ़ने वाले हैं, and then put your faith into it. And surplus सबको पता होता है. Selection के लिए you have to do a particular set of notes, you have to solve questions, you have to solve GTs, and voila. So it's like you have to just put a faith कि हाँ मैं अपने notes यहाँ से कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, and now I have to do a Q bank, I have chosen so and so Q bank, and now I am attending GTs. For questions you can attempt from any place, not you can't stick to one. And but
I
for
would
notes,
like to
I'll
put
say,
one point. I would like to put one point here. So one thing which all students should understand is, as Megha is telling, trust your notes. Second thing is that try to be jack of all trades than being king of one. Many times, what you
exactly.
all do is you try to, like, just increase the load of one subject. But जो आता है उसमें से that you tend to forget. But when
Yes,
we
yes.
try to prepare the notes for you all, it is not like we prepare the notes. You preparing the notes, how you should follow. See the pattern of last 5 years or 10 years question papers. Last 5 years is enough. If you see, majority of the topics will be repeats. Only the questions change.
Exactly. Exactly.
Majority
Exactly.
of the topics are repeat. So you should be perfect with those topics. And many times I also tell students, मानो अगर उनको staging नहीं आ रहा है, तो छोड़ दो, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि
Staging का तो
staging हर
मैम, I
बार
will tell
पूछा
a trick.
जाता है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Staging, trust me on this, except breast and cervix, I didn't mug up much of the stagings. I used to get a gist of it. Actually,
True.
it's not possible to retain all the 19 subjects like that. ये NCERT नहीं है. You can't just learn it line by line. I don't know about other students. Maybe some people are learning. I'm telling you about my journey. मैंने क्या किया. एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि नोट्स और क्या पढ़े उसके चक्कर में इतना कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, बहुत टाइम वहां चला जाता है. Like,
Right.
stick to one thing. I'm not saying ki particular institute for all 19 subjects. If you believe in somebody, like one subject, one teacher, that is the concept. So after doing that, one subject, one teacher concept, from wherever it is, it is good. All the teachers are teaching with their heart. There's nothing
True,
apart from that. Then for completion of the subject, go for QBanks. After doing the QBank, attempt GTs. Even if your subject is all the 19 are not complete, because they won't ever be. You will write your exam, still you will be like underconfident कि यार ये नहीं आ रहा. So the exam is not only about knowledge, it's about smartness, it's about carrying what you have, and application is of what you have. It's
Very
not
good.
about knowing all of it. Don't put excess pressure on yourself कि सब आना चाहिए. सब किसी को नहीं आता है. So you have to be the master कि हमें जो आता है वो अच्छे से आना चाहिए, बस वो गलत ना हो जो हमें आता है. बाकी you can leave around 5-10 questions, you can leave, कोई बात नहीं. And guess work चलता है. ऐसा नहीं होता you are very sure कि नहीं इस फलाना 51 question का answer I'm damn sure सी है. Some questions are there, but mostly people rule out कि ये नहीं हो सकता है by their knowledge, by the application of the knowledge. And for that purpose, concept should be very clear.
So Megha, I want to ask you one more thing, Megha. Ki last 2 years were very tough for everyone because of the COVID and all, right? So there are many times where we all have these ups and downs. I just want you to tell them, how did you come back on track after the fall which you had? That how is coming back? Because many students ask me this, ki ma'am, I'm not able to concentrate because I lost the track. So how should they come back to the track?
Actually, what happened, ma'am, everything was not exactly as per plan. From the very third year, final year, I had made some coachings, etc. I had thought कि सब कुछ मैं internship में complete करूँ. That was my very fair idea. So from the beginning of the internship, we saw COVID. That was something very new. I had never thought about it. Like, not even me. Nobody had thought about it. Nobody, trust me. And at that time of life, not only COVID, but I had some family issues at home, like which took away a lot of emotional strength. Like, these things require not only your time, but a lot of it. So while waiting in the hospital, I used to feel कि अब क्या होगा. For the initial few days, I thought कि I had just left. I had no idea about the exam. There were people who were motivating me कि अभी छोड़ ये सब, अभी अपना ध्यान दो. And I was doing the same, because sometimes you have to put energy into your mind, because if mind is not okay, mental health is not okay, you can't do anything. So first I was focused on the problem at hand, which I had. So after 10-15 days, so I thought one day, rather my father told me कि बेटा क्या कर रहे हो, आप पढ़ रहे थे ना, ये क्या हो रहा है. So it made me thinking, like कि सच बात है, मैं ऐसे छोड़ के नहीं बैठ सकती. Like, exam January में है, तब तक मैम it was not postponed, it was to be scheduled in January. Okay, So I thought कि I should give my fair attempt. नहीं ही तो होगा, majority क्या होगा, नहीं होगा, कोई बात नहीं. At least I'll have an edge for the next year. At least I will have an edge for the next year. That was the idea.
I just want to put one point here, Megha. So this is one thing which you have to learn, guys. आप लोग क्या करके स्टार्ट करते हो कि अरे मुझे फर्स्ट रैंक आना है या मेरा ड्रीम ब्रांच आना है, बट आई फील डोंट पुट दैट प्रेशर ऑन यू. गिव योर 100%. होगा तो होगा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, मैक्सिमम 1 more year or 1 more 6 months. That's all.
Exactly.
But you don't, when you stress yourself कि no होगा, yes, go with a positive attitude, होगा ही होगा. But अगर नहीं हुआ तो भी कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You have to go give another 6 months, but don't give that emotional pressure on yourself. That's most important.
Exactly the thing is कि शुरू ही नहीं करेंगे तो मंजिल मिलेगी कैसे? चाहे देर मिले लेकिन शुरू करेंगे, मिलेगी तो सही.
करेक्ट.
तो दैट वाज द थिंग आई हैड इन माय माइंड कि यार करना तो कभी ना कभी है ही, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, अपना बेस्ट देते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. सो विद दिस थिंग आई स्टार्टेड. लाइक शुरू में मैम बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, एवरीथिंग गोज इन योर माइंड. आप ऐसा नहीं, बिल्कुल वी आर नॉट मशीन्स. लाइक व्हाटएवर हैपनिंग इन फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स लाइफ, एवरीथिंग ये दिमाग में चलता रहता है. सो पढ़ते पढ़ते टाइम ये थॉट्स बात तक भी आते हैं, दे डोंट गेट ओवर. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक दिन आपने बुक खोली एंड अचानक से सब फिनिश हो गया, आप बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हैं, 14 आवर्स आप पढ़ रहे हैं, ये सब नहीं होता. यू हैव टू डू योर बेस्ट कि अभी मेरा इमोशनल लेवल ये है, आई एम फीडिंग माई सेल्फ एनर्जी सो दैट आई गेन इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ बैक अगेन. एंड along with that I have started my journey of preparing again कि अब मैं कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं आगे और बढ़ रहा हूँ, and I will reach the destination, maybe a little late, but I will try. And maybe a little late phrase is just to relax you. कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई तो करते हैं और क्या पता हो ही जाए. मेजॉरिटी चांसेस यही होते हैं कि when you give your 100, because people leave it. You don't have to leave it.
Start is important.
Start is important because I told you ना, start करेंगे जब भी तो पहुंचेंगे ना. बैठे रहेंगे सोचते रहेंगे तो कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. So the key is to start. Once you start, like न्यूटन वो लॉ ऑफ मोशन रहते थे, अब इतना अच्छे से याद नहीं है. अब body at rest remains at rest, and the body in motion remains in motion until and unless an external factor has been applied. अब फैक्टर लग गया है, आप रेस्ट पे आ गए हो, तो अगर आप कुछ और दूसरा फैक्टर नहीं लगाओगे आप रेस्ट पे ही रहोगे. लाइक स्टार्ट अ लिटिल, 1 hour 2 hour और सो, वन टॉपिक पर डे, सब खुद ही ज़ीर आती जाती है. एंड यू शुड रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ कि हम ये सब कर क्यों रहे हैं. यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, for a seat that will favor you, not for others. It's not always like कि अगर you are successful only if you are under 1K. Okay, they are successful. I'm not saying they are not, but others are also there. Like today I'm very happy. I might not have got the best of the ranks. Like जो लोग कहते हैं कि भाई under 1000 आ गई, wow, and not a wow rank, but actually I'm satisfied. I'm more than that.
It's not correct. It is not correct ki only below 1000. See, ultimately what is important, what is your dream branch and what
exactly.
is your
I love ophthalmology and I'm getting ophthalmology. That's what all I was preparing for.
Even if you would have got rank 1, I think you would have done the same, because
I have done the same
probably
thing.
if you would have been confused, I got rank 1, I should go for radio.
Yes, I'm sure that might have been the case. So we should look towards the positive aspect of everything. So continuing with that, I would like to say कि ये सब problems सबके mind में आती है, and people face big problems. Like I was preparing back again, I was back on track. Then in December again, I had another family issue. At that time, I sat again. यार अब क्या करूँ? अब क्या करूँ? On a few days, I thought यार अब मैं कर तो रही थी, चलो exam postpone हो गया, देखते हैं क्या होता है. So I took a break for some time to relax myself emotionally. To gain some power, because you can't work like machines कि कुछ भी हो गया कोई बात नहीं, शाम में तो हमें पढ़ना ही है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Relax yourself, क्योंकि फिर आप जब relax होते हैं तो that topics you cover in less time. Okay, so focus on your mental health and then regain your strength. धीरे धीरे I start again. I thought कि कोई बात नहीं, अगर February March में एग्जाम हो जाता है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, बुरा सोच लो एक बार, मैक्सिमम क्या होगा, नहीं होगा, बट कोई बात नहीं, I would have an edge for the next year. So I said again, वो again postpone हो गया. So thank God that I had started. If I had thought कि जब एग्जाम हो जाएगा उसके बाद मैं शुरू करूंगी, तो definitely, आप समझ रहे हैं ना? Correct. The thing that I started, that is why by my slow steps and by God's grace and my teacher's support, I was able to crack it. But you have to start. You have to start. Wherever you are, you have to start. And you have to compete with your own self. कि आज मैंने इतने टॉपिक्स पढ़े, कल मैं थोड़ा और पढ़ लूंगा. आज मेरा इतना स्कोर आया जीटी में, कोई बात नहीं, कल थोड़ा और आएगा. And mind you guys, GT ranks, mark my words, GT ranks do not simulate your paper. Because we get so much afraid on writing the GTs कि rank क्या होगी, क्या होगा, and we waste a hell lot of time. But that should not be the case. The GTs are for learning. It is a part of preparation. You have to face it because the 200 questions you will get in your final exam, they're going to be different.
True.
So you're just preparing, because I have seen ranks of 10,000s and ranks of 60, AR 60 in my these mocks. But neither I got a rank of 10,000 in my main exam, neither I got a rank of 60. So these do not simulate. Yeah, they tell you where you are lacking or not. You can't totally ignore the scores, but that does not mean कि अरे इतना आ गया तो फाइनल में ये होगा, छोड़ दो next year करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You just have to keep moving, because you don't know that you are reading 20,000 topics roughly, or more than that, I don't know. But you will get 200 questions in the exam. Maybe the luck is such that you get all the questions that you have studied. It is possible. Everything is possible. Why to think only negative? It is possible. So you are preparing for the day that you are going to face 200 questions. Rather, in my language, I used to say there are 200 patients that I am going to see on the day of my examination, and I have to like make a mark. That was the thinking I used to get. ऐसा नहीं हमेशा ऐसे रहता था. I used to cry for hours altogether. I used to get so upset sometimes. But at that times, I used to seek help from my family, my friends, everybody. They used to push me a little bit, then okay, back on track. So that happens with everybody. It's not the case that people who score, I might like people who score कि आज इनका rank आ गया, इनके लिए कहना बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान journey है. No, but you have to make it easy for yourself. You're doing it for yourself. We sometimes happen to see our batchmates कि उनके इतने ज़्यादा marks आ रहे हैं, हमारे कम आ रहे हैं, this and that. Nothing. You just have to compare from yourself. There are 19 fields that people will opt in this examination. It's not a single thing. Some will go for ophthalmology. Some will go for medicine. Some will go for anatomy as well. Some will go for ENT.
Obgyn also.
Obgyn also, sure. Some will become, but you are doing it all for your journey, not to impress others and not to do anything. You are doing कि रात में जब सारा काम करके सोएं. So you should think कि नहीं, I have made a change today. That should be the goal. And that is something that will finally give you the happiness, not the rank or not anything, but what you have done for yourself. Have you justified yourself? And during preparation also, one must think, have I given my 100% today or not? If I have solved one GT, I have reviewed one GT, was it all that I could do, or I could do something more? So you should sleep satisfied कि हाँ हमने अपना 100% दिया. And it should not कि मैंने 1 घंटा पढ़ा ये मेरा 100% है. ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. Like you should know what battle you are going for and what it takes.
So if you satisfy yourself, I think that is best. You don't require to satisfy anybody else, and when you are able to satisfy yourself, then you definitely see the success. 100%.
Exactly.
Excellent word.
Exactly. And success definition is very different for everyone.
Yes.
Like some people told me, rather, for securing this rank, some people told me that ये कोई rank है, ये क्या है? And some people are happy even on many zeros behind their ranks, because they're actually getting what they want, and that is the key.
That's true.
So
happiness lies in ourselves.
People might even troll you for securing a rank of 700 for say that you didn't get under 100. So your success depends on your attitude and your requirement. If I require an Alto car, I should be satisfied with that. If I don't require it, Audi, why should I run after it?
Correct.
That's the thing. No. So you should know what you want to do. You should know about yourself, and nobody knows you better than yourself. That should be the key.
100%.
And during 100%. Preparation also, there are many ups and downs. Like, I don't know now what to say exactly. I have so there are many stories I have actually. of my preparation days. So there's a lot to it. Like I used to listen to speakers like Dr. Himanshu Gupta sir. He is a YouTuber, and Dr. Ravi Sharma sir. Like not for motivation but for ideas. Like you should look up to ideas. Like I used one idea. I put up many important things on my wall. Like I used to forget simple topics, and this is with everyone. I think that we tend to forget after 10-15 days. पूरा subject साफ हो जाता है. ऐसा लगता है हम पहली बार देख रहे हैं. So that this happens with everybody. So I put those important topics on my wall, and then I used to read them again and again. So this is one thing I acquired from him. I thought it might help, and many other techniques for revision. So you should focus what suits you, not what suits others.
Correct.
So that's the whole point.
So I hope everyone understood why did I choose Megha to speak. So that brave attitude and the positive attitude is the most important for you to move forward. How many ever ups and downs we get, we always have to move forward. And I always tell, we all should be like a ping pong ball. So you know how much life pushes you down. The strength inside you should double and triple, and you should raise up that way. So I see that ping pong attitude in you, Megha, and I
Thank
really,
you, ma'am. That's beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder always. It's your love and your.
I have seen you from third year. To be frank,
Yeah,
you're
ma'am.
capable of any rank, like single digit also. I know you. I know your brother also. So
Yes, ma'am.
definitely,
Yes.
definitely. But as you told, I also appreciate your attitude, and that's 100%. You have to see what you want, and when you get that, you have to be happy, and you should never take anybody's. बाकी लोग बहुत सारे बोलते रहते हैं, and आजकल की दुनिया में ऐसा है कि whenever we are trying to move up, there's so many people who are trying to pull you down.
Exactly. Ma'am, at this
Right.
point, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I will like to narrate a small incident. Like after the INICET result, okay, I got a rank of around 3000 in INICET this year. Like NEET से पहले जो होता था वो वाला
Yeah.
session. So I was okay with the rank. I was like, okay, if I simulate a similar thing in the NEET, I'll get what I want. But I received a few calls from people I won't mention. Like they were like, यार तेरी तबीयत ठीक थी उस दिन, क्या हो गया? Like तू दुखी तो नहीं है? We are so sorry for you. I was like, I am not sorry. Like why are they sorry? So people will go to such limits. Like it's not limit. Might be they might be caring for me. कि यार कोई बात नहीं इसका बुरा हो गया. But I don't consider कि बुरा हो गया.
Correct.
So you have to just see for yourself. Like
True.
People are going to say anything, like any rank. You just have to be satisfied with yourself.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
I have seen it myself. I've been
And
there. I know that.
100%, as you told, compete with yourself. Don't compete with anybody else. Compete with yourself.
Exactly.
That's the most important thing, right? So
And trust. The most important thing is trust in your teachers, trust in your sources. Because मैंने पहले भी एक बार शायद बताई है ये बात. Like if you have to travel like from Meerut to Lucknow, there are many ways. There are many ways. But if you keep changing those ways, you won't reach. You won't reach. So you have to stick to one path and move ahead. Move ahead. आपको कुछ उसमें प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, ऐसा कोई फरमान थोड़ी ना हो गया कि बस यही है. और you have ample opportunity. आपको लग रहा है नोट्स में फॉर एग्जांपल आपको लग रहा है कि यार कम है. सो आप उन्हें अच्छे से याद करो. उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चंस करो. जो टॉपिक्स मिस होंगे वो क्वेश्चंस में मिल जाएंगे. जीटीज दो, जीटीज में मिल जाएंगे. जस्ट पुट फेथ इन योरसेल्फ एंड मूव अहेड. जस्ट मूव अहेड. Because life's all about moving. I've read somewhere. ज़्यादा motivation हो जाएगा क्या मैम? But I'll carry on. Like to balance a bicycle, you have to keep on moving. And this line is very deep. This line is very deep. If you keep moving, things eventually fall into place. But I told you, if you don't move anywhere, you won't reach anywhere. That's the thing.
So it is not easy for anyone, guys. It is not easy for anyone. Whenever you are trying to reach to some place, your goal or anything, there are ups and downs for everyone, each one of us. But as Megha has told, we have to keep moving to reach to our dreams, to reach our goals. And once we start moving, and once we keep on moving, not giving up, whatever might come, not giving up, that attitude is most important.
And for achieving this not to give up attitude, you should be soft on yourself. That's the thing. because I remember there are times that you feel like lost in the middle of your preparation. Someday you woke up, you feel यार जो पहले पढ़ा था वो भी याद नहीं है, आगे का तो रह ही रहा है, क्वेश्चन मेरे हो नहीं रहे हैं. This kind of feeling you get. So at that point of time, instead of thrashing yourself, self-doubting yourself, जो कि आएगा, nothing is absolute zero in this world except for the temperature in Kelvin. So ये सब आएगा. But at that point of time, you have to manage yourself and feed your emotions. You have to have a good mental outlook and have to have like अपनी mental health को support करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है. So like you should have some hobbies. Like it's not like everything gets over. Nothing gets over. Life continues to move on. So you should have a few hobbies. Like I had a hobby of cooking. So whenever I felt like I'm so much upset or something, I used to bring up some stuff and I used to cook for like 1-2 hours straight, 3 hours, and used to eat whatever I used to prepare. It was good, okay? Aisa unpalatable nahi tha. So this used to give me another boost. Then I used to sit comfortably. I used to meditate and think about my problems.
Exactly. I'd also believe like, every day morning, at least 5 to 10 minutes, don't speak to anyone, don't think of anything, just keep your mind in a neutral position. I think it will help you, not for long hours or become sadhu, I'm telling, but meditate for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it definitely helps. True.
Exactly, ma'am. Actually, you get a little time to think कि हम actually परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं. Sometimes the thing is something else, and हम उसे पढ़ाई पे निकाल रहे होते हैं. Sometimes पढ़ाई is the reason, and वो हम घर में निकाल रहे होते हैं. So हमें पता लगना चाहिए कि यार problem क्या है. When you find the problem, that is when you can find the solution. When you don't know the problem, there is no point in searching the solution. So first of all, we must think कि यार दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है. जैसे मुझे लग रहा है अच्छा मेरी उस सब्जेक्ट में दिक्कत आ रही है, and that's not मतलब that's making me like sleepless. So sometimes कि यार अब तो यही पढ़ो, सबसे पहले इसी को complete करो, ये भूल गए. So you'll get back. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, take a day off, okay? Energize yourself, है ना? Energize yourself. You deserve happiness. And it's not like PGME is the only success and all. You are MBBS graduates. Yes. You are already the cream of the society. You are doctors. You're going to make a significant change. This is you are doing for the betterment, further betterment. You have reached a level. This is what my father used to tell me कि बेटा MBBS हो गई बहुत बड़ी चीज है. You have got a doctor before your name. Excellent. And you're doing for the betterment. You don't need to thrash yourself all the time for all this.
Correct.
And that's why you should be proud of yourself and then prepare कि अब जो कर रहे हैं एक लेवल पे आगे उसके आगे के लिए कर रहे हैं. To become a specialist or so. And it doesn't mean like that I am going to become an ophthal. So in the preparation time, I just keep studying ophthal only. No, I have to know stuff about others as well. Because sometimes I might see a patient which is not an ophthal case.
Correct.
I might see somebody like with some palpitations. So I need to think, I need to send him to the appropriate doctor. But for that, I need to have some basic knowledge. And that is what you acquire through your studies. So you are not merely doing it for your PG entrance. You are enhancing your knowledge. Ki kal you are going on some road, you see some patient who suddenly collapsed. You got to know about the history that he is diabetic, he's on insulin, or he's some OHA. You start thinking कि यार मैंने पढ़ा था hypoglycemia हो सकता है. You might do some biscuit यार सब किसी, he might be able to आपने, and voila, he wakes up. Like you're studying for such days also, not just to become a specialist. That's the perk of this. But you're studying to correlate. Like you know anatomy, you know which nerve passes from where. You know that's important. That's relevant. Someone got injured. Like there's some hematoma in the neck. You know there are important structures over there, and that's an emergency case. Might be the person be talking, but you know that's still an emergency because you've read it. So
your point is that yes. So everything requires passion, and this profession definitely requires passion. And you're not doing for getting something; you're doing for doing something. You're reading all this for doing something and for betterment of society. That's 100% correct.
You might be teaching. Like I remember my faculty, Dr. Ketu ma'am from anatomy. Like I'm a huge fan from college, and also Dr. Ashwini sir has taught me. So important, like being good teachers. Having good teachers is also important in this profession. Like every branch is important. Like I got her, I got him, I got many teachers who made my foundation strong. I'll be indebted to them whole my life, my entire life. And
True.
by knowing these things, you can correlate better in your fields like surgeries, and becoming a physician becomes easy when you know great lens physiology, when you know. So
Excellent,
all
Megha.
this is interrelated.
True.
You're doing it for a much wider goal, I must say.
Uh, Megha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. You're clearly visible and audible.
Ayo, 1 second. I don't know how I just lost you in my laptop.
Ma'am, I can see you clearly.
Right. So I hope this was a beneficial, and I hope you all understood the point of view which Megha was trying to put forward. So any further queries or comments you can put in the comment box. We'll try to solve it for all of you. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Megha, for being with us.
Ma'am,
And yes,
one last quote, okay, before
yes,
ending.
Megha.
कौन कहता है, ओके, कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? पत्थर एक पत्थर तो तवे से उछालो यारो, everything is possible. Okay, you just have to trust yourself, you have to have faith in yourself, you have to enrich yourself, your mental health, everything, and just do it with love. I'm damn sure that you'll get what you want in life. Thank you
Excellent,
so
Megha.
much, ma'am, for
Excellent.
having me here. It was such a great opportunity and such a blessing that we are talking today. I'm so indebted to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you so
I am
much.
very happy that I'm able to share your story with everyone, which is an inspiration to many, so that they can look up how they have to move forward and come back to on the track every time when they fall back. So thank you so much, Megha. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Megha, don't leave.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
don't know. Suddenly, I've lost your picture. I'm not able to see anything. I can just listen to your voice.
Ma'am, I can see myself in you clearly.
Now I saw you. So I think I can.
Okay.
I can just get it cut in this last whatever we spoke, right?